Have you ever wanted to learn a new language but ended up quitting just after 5 minutes of a boring app, only to dive into social media instead? Trust me, you're not alone. Learning a language doesn't have to be monotonous grind. Today, I'm here to show you how to make language learning fun and engaging. I've got a bunch of exciting methods for you, and I promise there is at least one that you will love. And trust me, the last one is the best. So let's dive into it. First up, let's talk about Duolingo. This app is like the love child of a video games and a language learning tool. With Duolingo, you will find yourself competing with other learners, earning experience points, and leveling up, just like in your favorite video games. It's a fantastic way to learn new languages, and guess what? It's free. I use Duolingo to fine-tune my accent and pronunciation. But here is the catch. Duolingo isn't for everyone. If you're not into the gamified approach, it might not be your cup of tea. To see if Duolingo is for you, just test it and you will see if you can hold it for a long time. And yes, if you want me to say your product is perfect, Duolingo guys, send me an email. I'm sure we can work together. Now, let's talk about immersion. There are two types of immersion, total and semi-immersion. Total immersion means traveling to a country where the language is spoken and throwing yourself into all sorts of activities. It's like living the language 24/7, but if that's not in your budget or not ready for this, there is a cool alternative. You can mix your hobby with language learning. For example, I want to learn English and I love sewing. I seriously do. So I look for sewing class in English in my town. It's a win-win. If you get the chance to combine your passion with a language learning, go for it. Next up, language action app. These are brilliant inventions where you teach someone your native language and they teach you theirs. I've tried one and it worked wonder. Hello Talk is my go-to. It's perfect for chatting with people around the world and learning new languages. If you're on the shy side, starting with text conversation might be easier than full-on speaking practice. Either way, it's a fantastic way to learn. Finally, let's talk about podcasts. They are incredible, versatile and adaptable. You can choose topics that interest you, and there is a podcast for every level. The best part, you can listen while doing other things, whether it's housework, jogging or weightlifting. Your imagination is the only limit. Podcasts are never boring and you can even slow down the playback speed if you need. My top recommendation for this is Pocket Cast. It's a game changer for multitaskers like you. So there are plenty of ways to learn language faster and better, but the best approach is the one that fits your interest and keep you motivated in the long run. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you. This has been romeordns at your 7, and always remember, you're the boss. See you next time.